I should have started recording a long time ago, but this is the most nerve-wracking moment. I got a bunch of pulleys way up in the air spinning with belts, and the radiator is disconnected for the first time because we're testing the dual radiator system in the back, and we're staying cool. I don't know if you can see that, but we're staying cool. But I hear this thing percolating like a coffee pot, and a little bit of expected steam here and there. Woohoo! This is fun. Successful so far. Success so far. I'm looking at a little bit of steam, but holy shit! I'd say it's a successful test already because there's always some tweaking, but I got to watch the temperature now. Still looking good. Oh, maybe going up a little bit. I have no fans on it yet, so maybe expected to, but this is cool, man. This is cool. All right, I'll be back. Okay, nerve-wracking as hell. Successful belt air pump, and especially coolant test. I turned it off only because I heard some gurgling. I mean, it was like a coffee pot. With lines this long, I know there's an issue sometimes with making sure they're completely full, primed, and even when I turned it off, it was talking to me. It was like an upset stomach. But here again, I got a little smokage off of the engine, but I think that's dust and stuff. I haven't started this in a long time, and I think it's shop dirt because the temperature stayed within range. Yeah, we're good. And I'm happy. I know it looks like it looks crazy and it looks like shit, but this is only for mock-up. This is for testing for prototype-ish and all that intelligent lingo. But dang, what an important step, because I didn't know what date it is. It's the 14th of August, and I have less than 4 weeks now. I mean, I just had 7.5. Damn it! Now I have less than 4. So this was important. Is still. Bye for now. See how nervous I am? See all the sweat? Nah, it's because it's hot. Love you. Bye.